Hi, I'm Sonam Udasi, Senior Fund Manager at Tata Mutual Fund. 2020 started as a whitewash and ended as a boon for all asset classes. The cost of money collapsed globally, and investors globally use this as an opportunity to take on risk in their portfolios. The Indian markets too benefited from this gush of liquidity and are now trading at almost 34 times trailing PE. So Indian markets are not cheap by historical standards, but they're likely to remain attractive based on the following factors. So number one, Indian economy continues to open up compared to other developed economies. This will make India's GDP rebound one of the fastest globally. GDP growth is likely to be between 9 to 12% based on forecasts by IMF and other institutions. Number two, global liquidity conditions are likely to remain easy in 2021 based on the statements made by the European Union and the US Federal Reserve. Global investor risk, therefore, should remain robust. This should benefit India in terms of FIP. Point number three, which I think is very important, earnings contribution are no longer dependent on consumption or the financial services industry in India. Pharma, IT, specialty chemicals, commodities are also contributing to the Nifty earnings, and this should continue over the next couple of years. Point number four, the world is pushing for a China Plus strategy to reduce supply chain dependence on China. This should allow India to attract FDI in sectors like specialty chemicals, electronics, consumer appliances manufacturing, and also auto-related sectors. Point number five, the Indian IT companies are likely to be the key drivers as the world increasingly becomes more digitized. In 2021, investors can face volatility, but the positives I mentioned are structural and would act as long-term drivers for India's growth. Portfolios managed by me are likely to be overweight on the sectors that I mentioned, benefiting from these tailwinds. I generally prefer market leaders, high growth companies, sustainable business models, basically businesses that have a long shelf life and relevance, and of course, low leverage. Wish you all a very prosperous 2021. Happy investing. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.